What you see here at the very beginning is a PowerPoint presentation that I did, and what I did is I kind of put together a few scenarios. And in this scenario, I'm considering that Morning Star Church, which is a church that I belong to, is a Genie distributor. And as a Genie distributor, there are a lot of events that are constantly coming up and they're wanting to tell their members about. In this case, it's a golf tournament that's coming up, and it just so happens that the golf tournament is going to be happening this weekend, and so they need to tell every one of their members throughout this week that, hey, there's the golf tournament coming up. So you see the Morning Star Church logo writing on top of Google when I did this iPod search. Anything that they search for, the Morning Star Church logo is going to show up there. And then I also put down the golf tournament brand, and I say, click here to register for the golf outing. And then as soon as they click there, it'll take them to the golf registration page for Morning Star Church. And then everybody that has the potential to play in that, it's a fundraiser that they're doing, a golf tournament to help for funding some mission trips. Everybody can immediately have access to just where the church wants them to go by clicking on that link that's on that banner for the application that they gave away to their members. Now let's say the next thing that they want to promote, and this might be a different time period, the next thing they want to promote might be a building project. They got a building project going on called Love Loud, trying to expand the church in order to meet the needs of a lot of new people that are coming into the community, and just growth that's happening through the organization as the church grows. We need to be able to meet those needs, and space is something that the church needs, and so they started a building campaign. If I had a different time period, I can change this banner right on top of the Genie to say, click here to give to the building project. And so when they click there, it takes them directly to all of the information that is relative to the Love Loud campaign. They can see the progress, they can click on the give option, all kinds of things. Finally, one of the other scenarios is that maybe another day what they want to emphasize is the Honduras mission trip. There are certain deadlines that keep coming up, and there's a mission trip coming up on November 7th through the 14th. You notice I can change this brand several different times, and as I'm changing that brand, I'm communicating to all of the church members who I gave these applications away to. I say the mission trip to Honduras on November 7th to the 14th. Are you interested? Click here. They click there, and there's our Honduras mission trip page to let people know what they need to do in order to get involved in that mission trip. That is, from a communication standpoint, how this application can help your organization. It is better at that than anything that I've ever seen. To me, it's even better than email, which is a lot of times the way that people choose to communicate, because a lot of times people don't read their emails. But I guarantee you that people are doing a lot of searching online. And when you're able to be there whenever they do a search online, it's a tremendous value to your organization. As you can see here, I'm doing an iPod search, and that search online is popping right up. So you might ask the question, how do I give these applications away? Let me answer that question. There are a lot of ways that you can give the application away. Let me show you one way that you can do that. The organization, MyNet Universe, will have a custom website that you can use. It would be myshoppinggenie.com, and then it would have the name of your organization after that. And that site has a video. It's a little bit more than a minute-long video that explains how the application works. And so you've seen what it can do from a branding standpoint. Now let me show you how the application works. Hold on one second.
Handbags to die for. 320 gig laptops. The world's cutest baby clothes. iPods. If you can dream it, the Genie will find it. My Shopping Genie has arrived to change your entire online shopping experience. Finding bargains has never been easier or this much fun. Why ramble through pages of pointless and repetitive search results? Allow My Shopping Genie to work its magic. Before you can blink, it slices away the clutter leaving you with nothing but the best deals. Here's how the Genie works. Search for an item using any major search engine such as Google or Yahoo. The Genie instantly appears, finding the items you searched for at the lowest prices, using the best online shopping and auction sites. With only one click, My Shopping Genie does all the searching and sorting, so you save time and money. It's fast, it's fun, and best of all, it's absolutely free. Experience the power of bargain shopping with absolutely no risk, no obligation, and no cost involved. Get it free right now and start saving.
So you can have your members go to a website that would be just like that and watch that short video, and they could get an understanding that they're going to get an application that's going to help them find things, and they're going to use this application to find things that it's not going to cost them anything to do that. Better yet, they are going to know that they are supporting you as an organization as they are using the application. And the application absolutely does work. Here's an example of somebody who has a savings story using the application. It appears that the savings story is not running, so let me give you my own savings story. When I was in my daughter's room the other day, I noticed that she had a laptop computer. It was a netbook computer that had no power cord. I went to the store to see what it was going to cost to find that power cord, and when I checked out the cost, it's going to be $100 for a PC that cost me only about $300. I wasn't willing to pay that much, so I went home and I checked the Genie, found the exact power cord that she needed for $12. A good friend of mine used the Genie in order to price out a couple of TVs and an outdoor sound system that he was getting for his basement remodel project. He ended up saving $800 because he was able to find this exact same models online, take it back to the store and ask them to match the price, and they did. There's a few other saving stories, but the key to the application is that it benefits the user because the user saves money. And the Genie is absolutely safe. You'll notice here that the My Shopping Genie and Search app does not collect, save, or transmit any information about you, your computer, your search habits, your email address, or your internet connection, or anything else. It has no adware, spyware, malware, or anything that interferes with the operation of your computer. So we certify that that's absolutely true. We will not have anything on our app that's going to interfere with your computer. So they click on Get the Free App, then it will take them to a site like this. And see that key right there? That key is the key that when you purchase a license to distribute this application for $199, you get a key just like that for your organization. And then you pay $29 a month after that, and that helps to pay for and to allow for the ongoing activity for that application. If somebody has a Windows XP version of a computer, or if they live in any of these countries down here, then they install the Genie Classic. If they have Windows Vista or Windows 7, there's an enhanced Genie that has a little bit more functionality and capabilities that they would install. When they click on Install the Free Genie, it takes them to the next page, which has a quick reference guide so people can learn how to use it from the quick reference guide. There's also a Genie Enhanced Setup and Users Guide that they can download. But right over here, Install the Free Genie. They go through a simple installation process, and then they have the application installed. Now, since I already have the application installed on my computer, I don't want to go through that again, but you can get the general idea.